Here's a quick and easy recipe to make a delicious 5-minute mug cake. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking powder, pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons milk, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil or melted butter, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract optional, chocolate chips, nuts, or a dollop of Nutella. Instructions: 1. Prepare the mugus, a microwave-safe mug with enough room for the cake to rise. Lightly grease the inside of the mug with oil or butter. 2. Mix dry ingredients. Add the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt into the mug. Stir well with a fork or spoon to combine. 3. Add wet ingredients: 4 in the milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Mix until the batter is smooth and no lumps remain. 4. Optional: add and stir in a small handful of chocolate chips, nuts, or a spoonful of Nutella for added flavor. 5. Microwave the cake. Microwave on high for 1 to 1.5 minutes. The exact time may vary depending on your microwave's wattage. Start with 1 minute and add 10-second intervals if needed. The cake is done when it rises and looks set in the middle. 6. Cool and serve. Let the mug cake cool for a minute or two before digging in. Be careful, it will be